Body fat and cancer. Hello and welcome to Anti-Cancer Foods. Normally we look at the science behind a specific food or nutrient, but today we are going to focus on this article published in 2022 on the link between obesity and different types of cancers. The number of people who are overweight or obese have been growing and are significant health challenges. The World Health Organization defines overweight and obesity as abnormal or excessive body fatness that may impair health. A high body mass index is an important risk factor for many chronic diseases, particularly type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and multiple malignancies. According to statistics from the World Health Organization, in 2022, 2.5 billion adults age 18 years and older were overweight, including over 890 million adults who were living with obesity. This corresponds to 43% of adults age 18 years and over being overweight, an increase from 1990 when 25% of adults age 18 and over were overweight. Also, the World Health Organization notes that there is a growing cancer burden. In 2022, there were an estimated 20 million new cancer cases, and they project that by 2025, there will be over 35 million new cancer cases, an increase of 77%. Data from the review of studies support the associations of higher body mass index with increased risk of many cancers, with the strongest evidence for the digestive system cancers, including esophageal, stomach, colorectal, liver, gallbladder, and pancreatic cancer, as well as kidney and endometrial cancer. Evidence from observational studies suggests that greater body fatness has contrasting effects on breast cancer risk depending on menopausal status and on prostate cancer depending on the disease stage. The article goes on to indicate that excess body fatness is associated with considerable metabolic and endocrine aberrations that can contribute to cancer development and progression over time. There are several connected pathways whereby excess body fat may increase cancer risk. The body fat leads to inflammation and elevated levels of insulin, IGF-1, and hormones. What is the link of obesity causing inflammation? Well, visceral cells are large, and there are a lot of them. This excess fat doesn't have much room for oxygen, and that low oxygen environment triggers inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury and disease. For example, when you get a deep cut, the area around the cut becomes red and painful to touch. This minor inflammation around the wounded area helps repair the damaged tissue and aids with the healing process. But long-term inflammation caused by excess visceral fat can damage your body and increase your cancer risk. Inflammation caused by obesity can keep the body from properly responding to insulin. This is called insulin resistance. When the body doesn't respond to insulin correctly, it produces more insulin to make up for that. The increase in insulin due to insulin resistance triggers an increase in the number of cells produced, which can then lead to cancer. Increased insulin also affects how hormones like estrogen are controlled. More insulin can lead to more available estrogen, which increases cancer risk. Another effect considered in this review article is the link between obesity and our gut microbiome. Obesity is associated with changes in the gut microbiota composition as well as decreased bacterial diversity. While some studies have shown a link, there have not been enough studies on the gut microbiome to prove a strong association at this point. Therefore, more information is needed. With the rising prevalence of overweight and obese individuals worldwide, the proportion of cancer caused by excess body fatness is expected to increase. Being overweight affects our body's ability to work well to fight off cancer. The best way to lose weight is to eat a wide range of healthy plant foods, which not only have fewer calories and less saturated fat, but also contains important nutrients to help us prevent cancer from developing. I hope you found the information in this video to be useful. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.